In this video, I will guide you through the process of deleting your Facebook account on your phone. To begin, open the Facebook application and locate the profile icon in the bottom right and corner of the screen. Tap on it. Next, click on the settings cog in the top right corner, which is situated next to the search icon. After selecting the settings cog, you should see an option called Meta Account Center. Tap on it, and the new page will appear. On this page, find the account settings section. Just below that, you will see an option labeled Personal Details. Tap on it to access your Facebook account's personal details. Now, navigate to Account Ownership and Control and tap on it. Once done, you will be presented with two options, deactivation or deletion. Choose the option for deletion. Select the specific account you wish to delete. At this point, you will encounter two choices: to permanently delete your account or not. If you want to proceed with deletion, click on Delete Account and then tap Continue. Be aware that associated Facebook pages will also be deleted, so consider this carefully. You will be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account. After submitting your reason, the next page will confirm that if you wish to keep Messenger, you will need to deactivate your account. Choose accordingly based on your preference. However, if you want to proceed with the deletion, scroll down and select Continue. You will be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. Once you've entered your password, you can proceed to confirm the deletion. And that's how you can delete your Facebook account.